you to be right there with us. You see, if we take authority in our homes and bring our children to church, if they are in your house, they cannot say, I'm not going to church. Right. But you have to be a church goer first. Or get in your faces. If you set the ground rule, now if a child get in your face, tell the Lord, thank you. Because you need to beat that Negro down. Come on! Hello? You can't let no child come in your face up in your house to tell you what they're not going to do. My brother or my sister, you better be 18 years or over. Because if you ain't 18, I'm taking you to the court. And then the state will take care of you, not me. And if you're 18, you need a key. Because you can't have none for my house. You don't turn your key in here and jump in my face. Can you ask ourselves, mothers? Are we doing a good job? Some mothers dare to say, I don't believe in beating you. You don't believe in beating, and they will beat you. They will beat you because why? They go out, they smoke dope. Talk to me. They smoke the dope and come back. And because you don't have no power from on high, the dope overpowers you in your house. Then you say to the church people or to your friends, child,